So this is Penguin Month, and this time we're going to learn how to draw a penguin from the side instead of from the front. We've done two different ones, and now we're going to do a third one, and it's going to be a little different. So way we're going to start out is we got to figure out how big is he going to be, he or she. You can dress him up either way. We're going to say he's about this big, or she's about this big. So let's see. Let's start out with a line, just like we did before. And then we want to make sure that we're going to put his feet in first. So we're going to go out a little further and then back around, and that can be his foot. And then we're going to go do another loop that goes all the way up and back around. So then his foot is sticking out. We're not going to go all the way to the edge. We're just going to have it right there. Because remember, this is the side view of our penguin. So the next thing we're going to do is, let's put an eye. Let's put his beak in first. So we're going to take the beak and from the very top, we're going to pull it out and back in, and then we're going to come down and we're going to go up and meet it like that. And then we've got to make sure that you put a mark right here for his nostrils so he can breathe. You got to make sure that he can breathe. Okay, and then we're going to put an eye in. So let's put a large, I don't know. I like them to have big eyes. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Then we're going to do a circle inside, and then another circle inside, and that's going to be the black part. We're going to make his eyes have color. I'm not sure if you look really closely at a penguin, if they have blue eyes or green eyes. They may have gold eyes. I'm not really sure. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to put some hair on him. Just because he looks like he needs a little bit of hair, right? Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we are going to start about right here at the base of this beak, and we're going to pull a line that goes around and all the way back down to here. And let's see, and then we're going to put an arm on him, but this is going to be white, this is going to be black, and we're going to put an arm on him here and here, so then we can see the arm from the side. So I'm just going to pull an arm out like this, and down and back out, and there's his wing, because remember, all that's going to be black. And then we're going to do another wing on this side. So we just pull it out like that and curve it around. And he has two wings in his beak. And, they have feathers. So I'm going to put some feathers on him in a couple of places, just so it looks a little less graphic, I guess is what I'm going to say. Graphic design, you simplify everything. Okay, and then we're also going to add a tail. And all the other ones we had on an iceberg. So how about we put him on an iceberg too? And let's do the iceberg a little different. We can start here, and we're going to go around and back around and do a curve like that. Just the iceberg a little different than the one that we did before. And everybody see how to do that? Now remember, just like last time, we are going to follow this line back around. Now remember, if I'm going too fast, pause the video and then catch up and then come back. Just like that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to make it look like it's three-dimensional as much as we can with markers. Just like that. At this time, we're going to go in and color his eye, his beak, and the rest of his body. And remember, his eye can be any color you want it to be. I'm choosing blue. I don't know why, probably because I blue for the other ones too. It doesn't really matter. You can make it any color that you want. I did choose a yellow for his beak. The beak could also be orange or have a little bit of black on it. It's up to you. You get to choose. It's your penguin. Don't miss another video. Subscribe today. So now I'm going to do the black part of the penguin. You know, most penguins are basically black and white. I'm going to do the black part of the penguin, fill in his wings and his back. In order for the iceberg to look more three-dimensional, I'm going to add a gray shadow where we added the lines just to give it a little shadow so it looks three-dimensional. So now I am working on the water, and I'm doing something different with the water than I did with the other two videos that I did. I'm going to use two different colors of blue, and I'm going to make wavy lines so it sort of looks like there are waves in the water and stuff like that. So I'm choosing two different colors of blue to create the water. But remember, this is your design. This is your art. You can do it any way you want to. You can do it this way or any other way you'd like to. I hope you enjoyed creating this penguin as much as I did. He is so cute. And come back and see me. I can't wait to see your artwork. Come to my website. I'd love to post your artwork in my gallery. Talk to you soon. Bye.